Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video tutorial. In this video I will be teaching you guys how to create simple YouTube intro video for your YouTube channel. I'm going to provide this tutorial from the start to the end, and then I recommend you guys to watch the full video of this very tutorial for you to know how to create it starting from the start and the head part of it. Okay, now let's get started. But before you start with this very tutorial, these are the materials that you need to also create your whole YouTube intro video. You need a script grab from your YouTube channel, and you need a phone vector transparent, and you also need a green screen hand, subscribe hand. Okay, I'm going to provide all this material below the description box of this very video. Then you can get over to the link by clicking the link and download all the stuff that you need to get started. Okay, now we are going to open the YouTube official app to make sure that we take the script grab. Okay, now if you have already subscribed from your channel, then you are going to make sure that you are subscribed from it. Then after unsubscribing from it, then in this very interface you are going to take a script grab like this. Okay, all right, now you are going to click the subscribe button to subscribe again. Then you take the script grab again, and you are going to select the bell icon also to make sure that you turn on the notification on. Then you take the script grab also. All right, now after taking it like this, you are done. All right, so we are going to right over to the main tutorial after taking all this. All right, let's get started with it.